Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to create custom emojis on your Android phone. Creating custom emojis is a fun way to make your chats more personal by designing emojis that match your style or expression. Let's get started. First, open any app where you can type, such as Messages, WhatsApp, or Messenger. Next, tap on the text field to open your keyboard. If you're using Gboard, tap the emoji icon on the keyboard. Look for options such as Emoji Kitchen, Create, or Stickers, depending on your keyboard version. If your phone supports creating custom avatars, open the Emoji, Avatar, or AR emoji section and tap Create or New Avatar. Follow the on-screen instructions to customize your emoji by choosing features like your hairstyle, face shape, eyes, eyebrows, nose, mouth, skin tone, and accessories. When you're happy with your design, tap Save or Done. Your custom emoji will be added to your keyboard or emoji collection, where you can use it in supported messaging apps. If your keyboard doesn't include a custom emoji feature, you can install apps that support personalized emoji creation from the Google Play Store. That's all. You've successfully created a custom emoji on your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.